When he became the first Indian to secure a PGA Tour card, most Indians did not know what it was. Even for the pro golfers from the country, it was like a distant planet. They did not even dream of getting there. From that point of view, Arjun Atwal's entry into the world's biggest and richest golf tour in the USA was like an Indian landing on the moon. Now settled in Florida, Atwal was among the first lot of Indians who wanted to test themselves in a more competitive environment. Being the best in Asia was not his aim. He had achieved that in 2003. High on ambition, he wanted to excel beyond the continent. After becoming the first Indian to win a title on the European Tour in 2002, he qualified for the PGA Tour 2 years later. It's difficult for Indian golf followers of the current generation to understand fully the significance of Atwal's achievements. Even now, it's a big deal for players from the country to finish inside the top 10 in Europe and the USA. Atwal remains the only Indian to win a PGA Tour title. His watershed moment came at the Wyndham Championship in 2010. A product of the Royal Calcutta Golf Club, Atwal also has a number of top 10 finishes in USA other than 3 wins on the European Tour. The years he spent in the biggest tour of the world sets him apart from most of his compatriots. A new generation of young Indian players are playing overseas now. Barring Anirban Lahiri, nobody has come close to emulating Atwal. Lahiri finished second on the PGA Tour twice. In the fast-changing world of sports, where records are made to be broken, Atwal's feat standing tall for 13 years speaks volumes of his achievement. He challenged the unknown and succeeded. This makes Atwal a big part of the big three of Indian golf, with Jeev Milkha Singh and Jyoti Randhawa.